Hello friends, I hope you guys doing well. And sorry, actually since long time I was not uploading any videos due to some problem. I was just struggling. So now all settled, so everything is fine. So yeah, I came back. Okay, so in today's session I will discuss about the one of the very useful command in shell scripting. That command basically we are using in a normal for the normal work also, normal user operation work also. Okay, so but today's session I will not discuss about the shell scripting part. If you guys require the shell scripting videos, please let me know in the comment section, so I will upload the shell scripting videos then. Okay, so that command is the sed command. Okay, so through this sed command we can use multiple things. Okay, basically this is I can say this is a kind of utility, this like a stream kind of a stream editor. Through this editor we can do the multiple works. For example, search the word, replace the word, edit the word, remove the word, change the word. So lots of things we can do that one. Okay, so for a few example I'm going to show you today, so you will get the basic idea. Okay, so now I'm in a shell directory. Yeah, so in this directory let me see what is inside. So it's I can say it's one text file. Let me open this text file. Yeah, so I can see in this text file these are the data, name, role, phone number. Okay, so for example I have this text file, and in this text file these are the data inside this available. Okay, so for now you can see it's a role. Okay, so role it's in a 3 place, so it's easy. But if you have that in one file, and that one word is that in multiple places, more than 150, right? So then it's a very difficult to go to edit this file, and then you have to change, right? It's a very difficult. It's a manual work, right? Everywhere you have to search like this, and then you have to sorry, so like this you have to search, and then you have to change. This is very difficult, right? So that's why like sed is a very useful command. No need to go and search to manually. So here what we will do, we will use here sed, and then s slash, and which one we are going to which word we are going to replace. So that word we have to give here, and what is a new word, so then we have to give like this role, and then slash, and here you have to give the file name. Which is a file name? This is a test.txt, and then a space, and then again you have to give the new file where you want to store the data. Okay, so this command you can see it's run successfully. Now let me see what is inside the new. So now you can see it's a change everywhere here, right? So but one thing you can see here, it's a two file with the same content. Yeah, that is a caps letter and those things, but two file with the same content, right? So no, I don't want to create the new file. I want to edit inside this file itself. So in that case what you have to do, so again then you have to use sed -i. Okay, and so I will suggest you, when you're using the sed command, use the single quote. Okay, so see, this is a normal command where we are going to search that word, and then we are going to replace. But when we will use the sed with a complex argument, then it will be, you will get the problem. So the better to good practice use that content inside the single quote. Okay, now s, so I given the single quote here, and then s slash, and then now I'm going to change this role like this, and then let me close, and then text.txt. So in this case what will be happen, let me show you. So you can see in this case what is happening, it's not going to create any new file, it's changing in that same file. Okay, it's not going to create any file. If you see now it's a change, right? See, this is a two way. If you want to create, you can give the old file and new file. If you want to change in within the file, then you use -i option. Okay, now you can see this is a path, right? So for example, you have one file, and in that file you are storing some log, like that is some for example, that is some shell scripting file, and that shell scripting is using for automation, and that when that shell scripting file is running, in there we mentioned that capture the some log and store somewhere, like we are giving the path, right? So you store that in the path. So but that path we are using that because that log we are generating in that in shell script multiple place, more than 20 place, and then we are giving that path also in a more everywhere, right? So in that case what we have to do, we have to change again everywhere, right? So we will not change, we will not do the manually, we will do the with the sed command here. So how we will do, I will show you. So again we have to use the sed -i and then single quote s. Now I have to change this. Okay, so now let me paste here. This is a path. So in this path I have to change db2 to, for example, db3, for example. Now let me close this bracket and then let me give the file name. What do you think? It will work? No, we will get the error. See, we are getting error because as is not understanding with from the where is it will be a start. We are giving like this here, right? So it's not. It's a, I can say it's a syntax error with for sed. So then how we will do? So we will do with the three-way here. So let me show you one by one. We'll use the sed command again. Sed -i single quote s. One second. Okay, yeah. So single quote s. Now what we have to do? So this is the, we are starting from here, right? We have to give the path like we are generally we are starting from like this, right? Slash. No, we have to give like this. First we have to give like this, and then this. So this is the, I can say it's a kind of we are here we are using the delimiters, okay? And then you have then you are like once you give like this, then so s delimiter this line. So generally we are starting this like, and then we are giving like, and then from here we will start. So opt, then after opt again we have to give the like this again, then we have to start, we will give the path db, and then again we will give the delimiter. So like and then what is that, db2, right? db2 db2, and then so it's a close. Now again start from here, and then so now again we have to give the same thing, opt, and then after opt again we have to give, yeah, and then we have to give the db. So my system is very slow. Okay, anyway we'll see later. Opt db. Okay, so we will give like this, and then we will close, and then we will close the single quote, and let me give. So now you can see it's run successfully. Now let me check the, now you can see change path is a change, right? So in everywhere after slash you have to give the delimiter. So then like because otherwise that set will not understand from the where they have to start. So it's a kind of syntax error you will get. So this is the one way you can do that one. And second one is that you can use the sed again -i single bracket, then s. Now you have to give the before the slash, you have to give before this slash, what you have to do, you have to give the underline this underscore, and then you have to give your path. So opt, correct, and then your path, you give the path db, and then you again you give like this, like, and then you will give the again path. So now let me change the USR local, for example, local, and then you close, and then this. Okay, so before the, so this is your path, log path. So before this, after s, what you have to give the underscore. Once this is done, completed, so now you basically we are starting from here, right? So before that, again we have to give the underscore, and end of the path, again we have to give the underscore. So in this in these two way we can change that path. Now let me see, it's a change, right? Third, what is the third one? So now let me show you the third one also. So I like this way because it's very easy. Generally, what you have to use, again same, sed -i, then single quote s, and semicolon, like this you can give, and simple, you'll give your path. So what is your path? So USR /local, right, /local, and then again you can give this semicolon and slash, and give here new path, opt/db/db2, correct, and then you can like and this. So it's a very I generally I'm using this way because it's very easy, you know. First one is very tough, but third one is very easy, I can say. Okay, so you can see it's now it's a change. So there are multiple things are there, right? So multiple things we can do through the set. So I will upload the next video for there are multiple things. So I hope you like this video. So please comment and like and share my video if you like. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.